Hi Blazers, welcome to this new video tutorial. I just thought of something new for you guys. Ever had your hard drive go red, from this blue to red, and going, where's all my storage gone, and what's taking up all my hard drive space? Well, there is a third-party tool that I use called TreeSize. Now, this video is not sponsored, not getting any money out of it or anything like that. This is just a tool that I use that I thought I'd share with everyone. I actually got introduced to this tool when I first got into my IT jobs. It actually happened. I got a phone call, and they basically said I've run out of hard drive space, and we had to try and find out where all the space is gone and what's taking up the most space. So, if this is ever going red for you and you're going, "Where's my space gone?" You can use this tool here. It's called TreeSize and it's free. I think there is a paid version, but the free version does everything anyway. I will put a link to the software in the description on YouTube, so have a look and see if you like it. Basically, this is what it basically does, and that's sort of like the interface, what you see. It will tell you what it does, and a couple more screenshots there. Now, um, so this is the free version where you got free, personal, and professional. It looks like it's €50, if that's that icon. I'm not really sure, pound. But I just use the free version. It does everything for me anyway. So basically, you run you launch TreeSize free, and this is what you see. Now, if you want to run the scan, you can go to select directory, and you can see I've got 3 here. What I normally would do is hit C drive, and presto, it will tell you what's happening. Now you can expand it so you can see that it was grown. So you can see 38.7 gigs is from the user folder, and you can expand that down to see what is actually taking up space. You can see it's my profile. You go down across, but app data, you've got the local folder in app data, and then you can see that my media server is taking up the most space. You can expand that even further. See, metadata is taking up all of it really, and everything there. So this is basically how easy it is to use. Now, if, for example, it is a folder that you go, oh, it's just temporary stuff, I want to get rid of it, what you can do is right click on it, and there is a way to open it. So that'll take you inside that folder, and then you can go in there and remove what you don't need. It's as simple as that. Yeah, it's just a little quick tool that can help you find what's taking up your hard drive space. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.